Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a better taskbar on Windows 11. So in here, I'm going to show you how you can modify your taskbar. The first one, I'm going to hide this app icons on my desktop. So you can just follow the steps. You can right click on your desktop and go to view and click on the show desktop icon. Now the app icons will be hidden, and after that you can go to settings, click on this Windows button and go to the settings in here, this one, and go to the personalizations and scroll down until you find these taskbar options. And now you can just uncheck these tools right here to hide these two items on the taskbar. So let's just turn it off just like this, and that's it. You can also add animated wallpaper if you want to. You can find it on the internet for your desktop. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.